In this video, you'll learn how to use the battery share feature on your Pixel 7 or Pixel 8 smartphone. This functionality allows you to share your phone's battery power with other compatible devices, making it a useful tool in various situations. To begin, unlock your Pixel 7 or Pixel 8 and locate the Settings app, which can be found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, scroll down the menu until you find the option labeled Battery. Tapping on this will take you to the battery settings where you can access various battery-related features. Look for the battery share or reverse charging option within these settings. Before proceeding, ensure that your phone's battery level is sufficient to share power, as this feature will drain your battery further. Next, enable the battery share feature by toggling the switch to the on position. This action activates the ability for your phone to share its power with other devices. After enabling this feature, place another compatible device on the back of your phone, ensuring that the two devices are aligned correctly for optimal charging. You should see a notification or indicator confirming that reverse charging has started. At this point, power sharing is active and the other device should begin to charge. After initiating the charging process, monitor the other device to confirm that it is charging properly. You can also keep an eye on your own phone's battery level while sharing power, as this will help you manage your device's performance. If you notice that your battery is depleting faster than expected, consider stopping the power share to preserve your phone's battery life. Once you are done sharing battery power, it is important to turn off the battery share feature. You can do this by returning to the battery share option back to the off position. Disabling this feature when it is not in use helps maintain your phone's overall performance and ensures that your battery remains charged for your own use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.